Good morning and welcome to Rabat. It's my last day in Morocco. Obviously, the last day in Rabat as well. Starting off with having breakfast in the Shazine Cafe again, which is next door to the hotel. The hotel was kind enough to allow me to leave the bags there till the evening. So there's a few choices here. I think I'm gonna go for petit déjeuner sushi. Actually, I'll get the petit déjeuner Shazine. I have managed to get an outdoor seat today, and this is the view from the coffee shop. So the Babel Head is directly opposite. A lot of traffic as always, and then you've got the coffee shop behind me, literally the hotel, and there's a lot of foot traffic that goes across this busy junction. Just waiting for the breakfast now. Did order a petit déjeuner Shazine, which is their specialist breakfast. Let's see how it comes out. So breakfast coming out in stages. Bought all the drinks first. They always give you water to accompany any coffee, and this is quite unique that I've seen here. It's like in a plastic packaging. Really cool though. There you can see the price is 36 dirhams for the breakfast. It's pretty cool, all-in-one breakfast for that kind of price. The juice is fresh, coffee tastes great. We'll see about the food. Okay, so the rest of the food's arrived now, which obviously you can see is an omelette with some cheese on there, grated cheese, some tomatoes, a few olives and olive oil. And there's a bread that accompanies it as well. So let's tuck in. Okay, breakfast is done. And I managed to get my flight ticket printed for just a dirham or a dirham and a half. Extremely cheap. I just sent him the email, printed it off in laser quality. Great service. So now we're just going to do a walk and talk. There's a Royal Air Morocco office, which I think I mentioned on a previous video. And I do want to go and see if I can speak to them about an issue I've got about a refund. So I just need to find the right place. So it's along the main street. Oh, here we go. This is the main street. Just need to get on the other side of the street, and yeah, we'll head up to the office. Just cross the road. It's a beautiful day again today, very beautiful. I am a bit thirsty, so might be getting a bottle of water on the way. A lot of money exchange shops here. So a gentleman just wanted to know the time there. It's 12:30. Oh, look at the gelato ice cream. Looks amazing. A lot of books here, many in English also. So one book is 30 dirhams and two for 50. It's all a bargain really. Especially like them books seem like brand new to me. Seem to be a lot of blind people. It's literally in these last 20 seconds there's been like 20. Look at that. This huge building in front of us is the Bank of Morocco building. It's absolutely huge. I don't know if it's operational or not. It doesn't look open to me. It's nice to see the officers respect the street laws, cleaning up. Another street bookseller. Jewelry, watches, electronics. Oh, there's a photo studio here as well. Shop that prints stuff. Oh, that's awesome. If I was here longer, I would probably get something done. Right. Okay, the office is closed. Okay, so it is Saturday, and it's actually closed on Saturdays. So they're saying there is another one on Avenue Muhammad VI. So I'm just gonna check the map now, see how far that one is. It's probably very near. So can't seem to find it on the map. What I'll do is I'll stop recording for a second whilst I have a good scan of it, and then yeah, we'll resume on the walk. Okay, so I've just withdrawn some money out with my Revolut card. This Revolut card has been a total lifesaver. So it's like an international currency card, which you always get in like the best exchange rates without fees and stuff like that. Just withdrew out just 300 dirhams this time, and there was no fee at the bank. You have to be aware at the different banks there are going to be different charges and fees. But this one was at the BMCE and it was free of charge, no charges applied. Pretty awesome. I can leave a referral link below and you'll get some free money if you sign up to this. And I do recommend it for traveling. It's a perfect card for traveling. Okay, taking a small break in this little coffee shop. The proper way of making the Moroccan tea is make sure you pour it 3 times into the cup and back into this barad, the teapot. So I've already done it 3 times now. So I'm just going to freshen up now here, have a refreshment, and then yeah, I think I'm going to try the service called Kareem, which is a taxi service similar to Uber. And yeah, we're going to go check out a new area inside Rabat. Okay guys, welcome back. I've just had my cup of tea, mint tea, very refreshing. And what I wanted to do, I want to go to a place called Shilla. I hope that's the right pronunciation, because I could be butchering it. But yeah, it is a 35-minute walk, but I really wanted to try this app called Kareem. And this app Kareem is it's kind of a ride-hailing app where it's kind of like Uber. And basically you select your location and basically there's different options. Hold on, I think it's got the wrong location for me here. So the pickup location, I don't know if this is the right place. Hotel Veleda, okay, that'll do. And then there's one a minute away, so it's different options. So the Go Smart option is 18 to 23 dirhams. You've got a private taxi, which is 19 dirhams. A Go Extra option, which is supposed to be more comfortable, for 21 to 25 dirhams. We'll try the Go Smart option for this ride. And we'll pay by card. See if there's any discounts available. No idea. Okay, let's book it. So it's finding me a captain, it says. So it's finding my captain. So it's one on the way, a black Hyundai Accent, and his name is Qasim. So we'll wait for the dude. So the hotel is just there, and but there's a gap in the road here for the guy to park. So I'll wait here. And it's 4 minutes away. I can see. Shows like 4 minutes away. Because it's 29 past 1 pickup. It's 26 past now. So it's like 3 minutes away. So let's see how this goes. Assalamu alaikum. The tour done there. So it cost 23 dirhams for that ride, extremely cheap. well worth it in my opinion. So this is the entrance for this place. As you can see, there's like many there's many doors, I believe, like to this place. I was hoping to see like the Necropolis, which is the ancient ruins. I don't know where that is exactly. You speak English?
Yeah.
Where's the is there entrance for this or?
Yeah, this is the entrance, but this closed because of Corona, so you can
Oh,
go
really?
inside. So yeah, we can.
So you can't see nothing else?
Yeah, just here, and I think there is another thing to see, like in the corner, but I'm not really sure.
Oh, okay.
Just
So but it's
discovering.
closed.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. So it's actually closed. So we'll see what's down here around the side. But yeah, I did want to check it out and see the old ruins. What a sad state of affairs. Wow, look at this cute cat under here getting some shade. Oh, so cute, man. Wish I had something to give it. Finally give it this. I might have some water actually.